First time using the vending machine. I have 16 emeralds. Let's see what it gets me. Let's see. Oh, it got me. Yo! I got this thing. Wow. Okay, so yeah, that's what I got from the vending machine. Okay, like, should I use 8 emeralds again? Okay. Yeah, I'm in a game. I'm about to win. I literally have a rage blade. Oh, what's this? What is that? Okay, wait, hold up. Okay, guys. I'm not gonna show me winning. Well, if I win. What? Okay. What? I don't. What is this? Oh, this is really cool. Okay. Yeah. You guys, let's test it out. Oh, I'm gonna have to be careful. Yeah, one for me. Okay. Well, that's just a quick shorts, and yeah. Bye.